So guys, these cream whippers are very popular in restaurants and coffee shops. It makes delicious whipped cream, desserts and mousses. And if you want to recreate that touch in your homes, you can use this to decorate hot chocolates, cakes, desserts. You can use this whipped cream on fruits and waffles. It saves you having to use your hand whisk. It's so easy to use. I'm going to show you what's included in here and I'm going to show you how to use it. If you want more information about it, I'm going to put a link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. So what we have here, guys, is a stainless steel cream whipper. We've got 3 nozzles here that will make different decorations, the charger holder, and we've got a little brush to use to clean the nozzles. And all you will need to do is get yourself a pack of these chargers. Okay, so what we need, I've got here 500 mils of cream. I've got some vanilla essence, so we're just gonna chuck that in. I've got some icing sugar. Give that a stir. We're just gonna unscrew the whipper, pour the cream inside, pop the lid back on. Just make sure it's tight. And then we're just gonna remove this little cap here. Get our charger holder. Pop one of the chargers in this way. Then pop it on and screw that in here. And what will happen is when you tighten it further, you'll hear like a whooshing sound. So let's wait to hear that. There you go. And then what we do is we just remove the holder. Pop the cap on. You can choose any of the nozzles that you like, and I'll be using this one. We're just going to screw that in here. Like this. And then we're going to shake the whipper 10 times. So as you get to around the 10th shake, you should be able to actually feel it or even hear it, the liquid actually solidifying inside. So now we're ready to use it. So I've got a couple of cupcakes here, and I'm going to just show you how I'm going to decorate it. So all you do is just hold the whipper and then we're ready to pipe. As easy as that. So there you go, guys. Now you know a little bit more about cream chargers. If you like more information, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.